G'day all. So today we're going to be looking at simplifying algebraic fractions, specifically looking at dividing these. So first, hopefully remember the step that we need to do is find the reciprocal of this second ones here. So with this just means flipping these over so then we can multiply them. So with this, essentially, our equations then change. So for A, we still have our 2p over 5, but then this is multiplied by the reciprocal, and that just means flipping it. So this just means multiplied by 7 over 3q. Okay? So when we're multiplying algebraic fractions, we just multiply the top by each other, multiply the bottom by each other. So all we do here is this is then equal to 2p times 7 all over 5 times 3q. So then just remember when you're multiplying these together that you do multiply your coefficients together. So 2 times 7 on our top one, that's 14. And then our variable is p there, so that becomes 14p. And that's all over 5 times 3, which is 15q. So you just need to also realize if it can be simplified. 14 and 15, these ones can't be simplified. There's no common factor that would break it down any further than that, so we can leave it there. So that's good. Now, onto our second example. So here we've got x over 3, and then we're going to be multiplying this by the reciprocal of 7y over 6. That just means flipping that. So it's multiplied by 6 over 7y. Make sure you are just writing out these steps, especially when you're starting out, because it can be good practice and just not to forget the step of making it the reciprocal. That's often a common mistake that people do make. So then this one here, we do x times 6, so that's 6x, and then 3 times 7y, so 3 times 7 is 21y. Okay, so just make sure that this can't be simplified any further. So hopefully we can notice what goes into both of these numbers here. So for our first one, 3 is a multiple of both 6 and 21. So this goes into both numbers here. So we just divide these numbers by 3 to simplify. Sorry, that's some bad writing there. So we've got 6 divided by 3, that will be 2, and 21 divided by 3, that will be 7. So then this becomes 2x over 7y. So if you don't find the highest common factor, just check again if some numbers go, well, the same number goes into both 2 and 7. We know that they don't because 7's a prime number. So that won't have any other multiples other than 7 and itself. So that's as far as you need to take that. And that is simplifying algebraic fractions with division. Hopefully that helped.